Hi, this is Rachel from Mortgage Helper. Today we've got 3 different new topics and they are pretty much all related to coronavirus. Topic 1. If you are having difficulty on your mortgage repayment because of the coronavirus, what is a better way to do? Topic 2. Impacts on property market and some news that we got from different developers. And topic 3. How do we do a mortgage application during a coronavirus period? And I'll break it into 3 different videos. So if you're interested in topic 2 and 3, you can click our YouTube channel to check them out. Let's start from topic 1. Okay, myself, I live in Sydney CBD area and I eat out almost every night, almost. And back about a month ago, and which is now is getting worse, I can see so big impact on all the retail business. And like some of my favorite restaurants used to be half hour, 1 hour wait, and now pretty much you can walk straight in anytime, and they're lucky if they're only half empty. Retail are struggling even behind all the supply chain, and now get to office, everything. I think the only business get so busy is toilet paper factory, I guess. Anyway, that's silly. Anyway, so all these, some business owner might start to experience the struggling on the repayment of the mortgage. So I just need to make it more clear what might happen. You got to think about what to do before you miss the payment. A lot of people will say, well, I put equity out from the existing home loan. There's a few things you got to think about it. The first one, your income still need to be able to service the loan for the money that you're pulling out plus the existing loan you have. That's the first thing. The second thing, you're using your property as the security. If you miss payment, the lender, they have the right to put the property on market. So that's something you're going to be very, 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 very careful, because you don't want to put your property on any risks, So with home loan, of course, if you think, look, it's just going to be a short term, I can just pull it out and I will be able to pay it off in the future, it's perfect. The rate is low. Refinance, they offer cash back from 1,000 something up to 4 grand. Different lenders, they offer different amount, and the amount, it can go up to 250 most of the lender, and some of them you can even draw up to 1 million, and but look, if it's just short term and you don't want to go for something which is so high risk because you're putting your property on as a security, you can even consider a personal loan or a business loan. With home loan, business loan or personal loan, as soon as you miss the payment, the default will still show on your credit report, which is you don't want that to happen. As soon as you got the default on your credit report, it affects the future or the lending or you refinance. You limit yourself to a certain lender, your rate will be much higher. So think about every single step, or you can talk to your bank or your broker about it and see, is there any better solution instead of refinance, business loan or home loan. Or personal loan. I'm sure there's always a way to work things out, but you just need to think about the risks that you might have if you pull equity out from your existing home loan. And if you know you're going to miss any payment shortly, I suggest you to call your lender, explain to them, look, this is what happened because of the coronavirus, the business is struggling, and try to arrange a payment plan. As soon as you arrange a payment plan, do not miss it. Do not miss any payment. Pay it on time. You got to arrange something that you can afford to pay for. Because if you miss the payment, what might happen? First month, it doesn't matter. Look, it doesn't matter if you got payment plan or you just miss the payment, with our payment plan. First month, the bank might, just leave it. They won't call you yet. From the second month onward, they will call you, email you, mail you, they have to reach you and talk to you. You got to explain to them about what happened. The third month, they already have the right to put your property on market to sell it. And I give you an example. Let's say the property value, market value is 1 million, and you own the bank, let's say 600,000. Does that mean you can get 400,000 back minus whatever fee they have, like commission 2% or auction how much and this and that? Not really, because the bank, first of all, they charge penalty or extra interest on the payment that was late, and all the commission, all the advertisement, everything, they'll charge a premium for that. As soon as you miss the payment, they're going to charge a premium for that. And because you're probably worth 1 million, you own the bank 600,000. Let's say the rest of the cost is 200,000. The bank, they won't wait for someone to pay 1 million. Whatever price they can get, 800, 801, whatever price they can get, they'll just sell it, get the money, pay for that, and that's it, done. So you might have to consider put your property on market before the bank actually do it. It's just something to be more safe. You got to think about it. But at the end, look, there's a lot of other lenders which is they charge really high rate. They don't need this low doc. Some of them, they don't even need anything. Access lending, you can think about those if you know you're going to use it for just a very short term. Otherwise, you have to talk to someone professional, or consider even liquidation to work something out. And yeah, just home loan, of course, is good. I'm a mortgage broker, I'm happy to take home loan, but is that the best option? It's different scenario is different. Talk to your broker, your banker. And if you've got any question, you can give me a call or WhatsApp me. It will be better. My contact number is 0420 828 828. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.